Okay, Italian sounds. Italian is very easy to read, and only a couple of rules we need to remember. First of all, vowels are all open. So I don't say gelato, but I open that very well. Gelato, pizzeria, vino, meaning wine, pizza, pasta. The other thing we need to keep in mind is that we pronounce the last E of every word. So it's not verde, it's verde, sempre, serpente. The next sounds are chi and che. And the key thing is to remember words you already know in Italian, and we know many because of Italian food, for example. Memorize the sounds from those to remember the rules. Chi, cappuccino, c'è, the very famous brand Dolce e Gabbana. China is pronounced Cina. The color celeste, the country Chile, and the word for dinner, cena. These sounds are similar to English. We just need to open the vowels. Ko, ka, ku. So, for example, the word for a run, corsa. Meat, carne. And cot, culla. However, if we want a K sound with I's and E's, we need to put an H in the middle. And a good way to remember this is the English words echidna and chemist. Ki, ke. So the word for chemistry is chimica. The region and also the word for brand is marche. Now G-I-G-E follow the same pattern as the C-I-C-E. So we had chi, che over here, and now we're going to have G, je. And some examples are ginnastica, gymnastics, and gelato. Again, following the pattern from before, from the C-O-C-A-C-U, same sound as English, but we need to open our vowels. Go, ga, gu. So skirt is gonna, chicken is gallina, and owl is gufo. Now, again, same as with the CHI, if we want to create a G sound as opposed to a G sound, we need to add the H. If you want to say ge instead of je, we need to add the H. So lakes becomes laghi. Then we have ghetto and spaghetti, which you're all very familiar with. Now if we want a j sound with the O and the A's, and if we want a ch sound with the O's and the A's, we need to put an I. The important thing about these sounds is that although there are 3 letters, they're creating just one syllable. So it's not gio, it's jo. And it's not gia, but rather ja. It's not chio, but cho, and cha, not chia. For example, Giorgio, not Giorgio, but Giorgio. Giacca, for jacket. Cioccolato, as opposed to cioccolato. Cioccolato. Cacciatore, for hunter, as opposed to cacciatore. So you can see that I'm making it one sound. Jo, ja, cho, cha. There are a couple of words that are an exception, such as farmacia. In this case, we want to pronounce the I at the end. And for example, biologia, we want to pronounce that I. And similar subjects such as economia, ecologia, Economia has nothing to do with it. Ecologia, and some others. Next sound is the GN, which isn't gn but ny. So that is gnocchi. Then we have the she, so equivalent to our English sh, as in the word she, ski, or pesce, the word for fish. Then we have this other combination of sound. Now, how do you pronounce this word that you may order at an Italian restaurant? Try and have a guess. Look at this. How do you pronounce that sound without the S? How do you pronounce this sound without the S? All you need to do is combine this sound, which you've done before, ki, and just put an S in front of it. Ke, and just put an S in front of it. It becomes ski, ske. So the correct pronunciation of this word is actually bruschetta, not bruschetta. Another thing we need to remember are the double letters. We need to pronounce double letters in Italian, and the way you do this is by putting more emphasis on that letter. So it's not nonna, but nonna. It's not letto, but letto. The other rule is don't pronounce the H. So this I have is o, not ho, and this word is hotel, not hotel. So o, hotel, and can you think, and this is an example of an English word that follows the same rule. Finally, I think that's our last one. Yes, finally is the sound GLI, which is li. So we're not pronouncing the G, it's a silent G, but at the same time it's different to just LI, which would be li. This is slightly different. Mogli, wives, and the I guess it's equivalent to the sound in the English word million. Million, in that the middle L, we sort of create this sound. The li sounds a bit like million. Okay, so now let's go through all the sounds again. Try and say the word before me. I'm going to read out all the examples again. Gelato, pizzeria, vino, pizza, pasta, verde, sempre, serpente, cappuccino, dolce gabbana, Cina, celeste, Cile, cena, corsa, carne, culla, chimica, Marche, ginnastica, gelato, gonna, gallina, gufo, laghi, ghetto, spaghetti, Giorgio, giacca, cioccolato, cacciatore, but the exceptions to the rule: farmacia, biologia, ecologia, gnocchi, sci, pesce, bruschetta, nonna, letto o hotel, mogli. Ok, abbiamo finito.